Kevin Ring with Nationwide Video. Today I'm going to show you how to save, export, and restore a simulated show on the Event Master toolset. As always, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a simulated frame, and today I'll play with the E2 Gen 2. I'll hit reset and launch simulator, and I'm going to wait for the magic words, signal VP up and running. And here it is. So now I'm simulating a system. I can add it in, and here is my E2 Gen 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and quickly program my show. I'm going to rename the frame Kevin so we can prove that this is the correct one. And I'm going to add a screen destination with 3 output connectors. I'll add a few layers. I'll even build an aux destination. Great. And I will build my inputs. Cool. So my show is configured. I am happy with it. But let's say I want to now simulate something else, but I want to be able to come back to the show in the future. So very important, in the lower left-hand corner, we say save all, save often. And at this point, I can close the simulator. So a lot of people wonder where the simulator is actually saved and stored. This will be saved on your C drive of your computer. So I'm going to access my C drive. And there's a folder called Barco, and you're going to see all your builds. If you go into the build folder, you'll find a folder called WVP_9876. There are 2 folders in here, sim, which is the XMLs of the sim file, but we'll talk about that later, and then this folder called XML. This is actually the show. So I'm going to copy and paste these. And I apologize for my messy desktop, but I'm going to call this restore sim. Now, note, the naming doesn't really matter. You can call it whatever you'd like. And I'm going to place it here. Now I can go back into my Event Master toolset, and I'm going to build a new simulator. So if I hit reset and launch simulator, that's going to wipe out the entire show. Now my IP address has not changed, so I should restore automatically. See signal VP. Great. So now this is a wiped show. I can build, do whatever I want. Now let's say that I want to restore back to the show that I already built. What I can do now is I can hit close simulator, and I'm going to go back to my WVP9876 folder on my C drive. So if I open this in a new window, I go to Barco, Event Master Toolset, WVP976, XML. I'm now going to delete the contents of this folder, and I'm going to replace them with the Restore Sim folder that I just made. So now I'm going to paste. Here we go. Now if I go back into the Barco Event Master Toolset, now note, I'm just going to hit Launch Simulator. I'm not going to hit Reset. If you hit Reset, everything goes away. So I'm going to hit Launch Simulator. We're going to wait for those magic words. Signal VP up and running. Here it is. And sure enough, here is my show with all my inputs, my destinations, and it even has the unit saved exactly how I had it before. Hopefully this answers some of your questions about how to restore and reload a simulated system on the Event Master toolset. Once again, Kevin from Nationwide. Thanks a lot.